You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
Afternoon guys, and welcome to Arboleas on this absolutely gorgeous April afternoon. I'm sitting here at the moment in the kitchen at the coffee table, getting ready to go over to Arboleas town to take part in one of my favourite annual events. Now there's events taking place throughout the year here, you know, as many as you know, and we've often recorded these, but there's two particular favourites. One is the annual fiesta at the end of the summer, which I filmed a little video for you all last year. And this is my second favourite, which is the Walk for Life annual charity walk. Now, these guys, what an amazing organisation. A little bit about them. They do so much for local cancer sufferers and their families, all on a voluntary basis, and they do a number of events and things throughout the year to raise funds for that. And the biggest one is this weekend, the Walk for Life, where we take over the whole town essentially. And it's one of my favourites because it is, you know, everyone who lives around Arboleas and from further afield will now be heading over to the town for a fantastic weekend event. It takes place on the Friday and the Saturday. It's focused around a charity walk of 6 and 3 kilometres around the town. You can also run this, and all you've got to do is pay a small registration fee. But there's loads and loads of other things going on. You know, it's a whole day of Friday and whole day of Saturday today of events. You've got dog shows, you've got dancing, you've got stalls, you've got food venues, and then bands on. And this evening after the walk, we'll have a fantastic kind of music concert outside the town hall in the square with the All Stars and a fantastic act called Danny Guitarista. So we'll party on into the early hours. I'm going to film a little bit of this for you because it is absolutely cracking, and I think you'd very much enjoy this and get to see, you know, what's available, things for us to attend here on our doorstep. As I said, a wonderful organisation that does so much work on a voluntary basis, and what we all try and do throughout the year is kind of raise funds in terms of sponsorship for these walks, attend their annual dinners and dances and stuff like that. They also publish a fantastic calendar. Now, below in this video, there's a link to my GoFundMe page. I'm trying my best to round up some shekels, some pound notes for this amazing cause. So please, if you can help, even if it's just the price of a bloody pint, can you please click on GoFundMe and send us a bit of cash? And I'm going to head over to town now, get my walking gear on, join the gang over there, and it's going to be a fantastic afternoon, and I'll film a little bit of that for you just so you can get a flavour. Hope you enjoy. Cheers, guys. So just arrived up at the main square in front of the Ayuntamiento. The dog show's just finishing. The numbers are building. Before it really gets going proper, can I just also say a huge thanks to all the organisers. I know how much work goes into this. It's got a bit overcast. I think we're going to get rain. Incredible. And there's a real big breeze, so I'm not sure if you can hear anything, but it'll still be a party atmosphere. It won't deter us. Rain, shine, we'll do the walk. But this is at the very beginning now. It's about 45 minutes before the walk. The numbers are beginning to build. We'll all go and do the walk or a run. Get some medals. Raise lots of money for Walk for Life, and then have a great big party in the afternoon. Is it right to have a gin and tonic before the walk? I was going to try and stick to water, but I don't think it's going to do the trick, is it? Right, gin and tonic it is. Well, it's beginning to fill up nicely. Tunes are playing. Thankfully, so far the rain stayed away. It's just a great day, this, to be honest. Everyone makes such an effort. Old, young, fancy dress, not fancy dress. Guys with wigs and high heels. "35 minutes to the off now." Bar in full swing, and we haven't even started the walk yet. Now this was a new addition last year.
Ovi from the gym next door to our office. This is his famous pre-walk warm-up. And the sun shines out. It's essential to get those muscles stretched before the big walk. Some of the walking football team over there who wandered up today very kindly. Mr. Savage in the house. 20 minutes to go, 3 gin and tonics down. Whoops. Oh, water, horrible stuff. I think everyone's getting a little bit excited. I am. What an amazing day. This is April, guys. So the excitement is building. I love this bit. Check out Duchess Charlie doing a wiggle, eh? Everyone at the start line, I think they're keen. There's another 10 minutes to go yet, but hey ho. Tutus are bounding everywhere on the men as well. Right. Any opportunity, eh? Any opportunity. What you can't see, guys, is I'm getting pinched by a man called Burnside who's trying to nobble me when I'm filming.
I'm just watching what that camera's looking down.
She's a lovely mate. Oh, this is the nicest part. Everyone getting ready for the build-up. You get the runners at the front because there's people that run it.
Yeah.
Not me. And we got to start off with a little rise and then we go around the entire town, 6 kilometres. And hopefully we've raised lots and lots of money for this amazing charity. It's on days like this you see sides to your clients that you never knew existed. Lots of men wearing wigs and tutus. Right, sorry, I'm filming this. I've got to go and join in now because I'm not missing the fun. And we're ready for the off. You might recognise the famous Debbie and Brett from our interviews. Looking for a bar. There's no deck chairs here, mate. I apologise if you hear any swear words. You are live on YouTube, please do not swear. Bollocks! Nope. And we're off. I think they're a bit keen there, the first water stop after 200 foot. Dogs, humans, pushchairs. Hola. Anyone can take part. Gosh, the runners are already way ahead. I love the way Hannah can do this and still be on her mobile, and I'm walking backwards. Someone suggested this would be a challenge, walking backwards.
There'll be 24 fallers. Yeah.
If I go, they say I'll make a hole in the ground. We've got a lovely little breeze, but it doesn't tell you how scorching hot it is, to be honest. It's gorgeous. And there's Matty. He looks like he's got water in bottles and he's being sensible. That'll probably be vodka. Matt, is it really water or is it vodka? Yeah, right. I'm allergic.
What are you doing to your leg? Well, my leg, I've got a hip replacement.
That's not really the technique that's desired, but everyone does it in their own different way. Stopping off at bars on the way. That's good for me saying that after 2 gin and tonics before we've even started. I was so good this morning and then I've blown it. We're just coming up to lovely clients of mine houses, Mr. Matthews, Mr. and Mrs. Matthews, and he promised that he'd spray everyone down with a hose pipe, and he's living up to his word, because I've just seen these great big jets. Look, he's waiting for me. I'm going on the far side of the road. Yeah, look. Mate, bloody dangerous. It's like the bloody Darth Vader. Yeah. Sod off now. He thought he'd have fun. Everyone loves it. We're all a bit wetter now. Thanks, Nick. So we've made it to the town. Didn't take long. That's about 10 minutes so far. And then we walk past the bottom of the town, past the offices, over the old bridge, up to La Perla.
No, I'm alright. It's too hot. We'll still get back before
Past home base, yay! What a fantastic estate agent those guys are, I've got to say. I might be slightly biased. Don't have to go back there till Tuesday, bank holiday Monday. See you later, Hannah Banana. We can't go up Heart Attack Hill this year. If you go that way, that's the 3 kilometre route, but we're doing the 6k, which is over the bridge here. Log jam. This is when the lack of lycra begins to tell.
I've got my lycra on, mate.
Well done, Mel. First lady, go on. All the way. Yeah, the runners are starting to pass us now. We've had a few very young guys, and now Mel, the first lady. I thought that might happen because last year she wasn't the first lady. This year she's improved. Guys, I think it's probably gone up to about 40 degrees. It is cooking now. Mad dog's an Englishman, eh? It's not a long distance, but in this heat it's quite difficult, I have to say. And we're now going up. I've got my excuse lined up with the missus. It's not gin and tonics, it's heat stroke. So now we've entered the perla area. The field's spreading out a little bit, around 2 kilometres around this section, and then back towards the town again. I mean, many of you will be familiar with this because of the villas on sale and stuff like that. So once a year you have to put up with this walking past your backyard, but it ain't too much for trouble. Stupidly, I forgot my selfie stick. I did bring it, but I left it in the car. So just picked up my first bottle of cold water. I don't know if you can hear any of this, so this might be a total and utter scrub because of the background wind and the noise, but who knows. And now my battery's dying as well, so I'll save a little bit now for the finish. See you there. And the Kalina guys and gals make it across the line, time to come in. We did it in 55 minutes, so 6 kilometres, 38 degrees. Doing well. Still a few out there, but we've made it. The runners are all back. Then you've got the armchair participants over on the right. We've got the sensible plan. You didn't do it. You lost. Right. Well, there you go, guys. That's this year's walk done. We're going to have a lovely concert this evening, but I've now run out of battery, so I'm just going to end it here. We're all sitting here now waiting for the band on the big stage over there, and we'll be out till 10 or 11 o'clock, and what a fantastic day. Many thanks again to the organisers. Let's hope we raise loads of much earned cash. But don't forget, my GoFundMe is in the link below. Please, if you can, just donate a couple of quid. It'd be amazing. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching.
Your heart, see the star of every night, every day. In your eyes, I've been lost away.
The old stars? Of course you are. Sing along with me. Here we go. La, 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 la.